Are there things which a Muslim does not have to pay zakah on?
Yes, certain things are exempted from zakat. Number one is your personal goods, which are the basic necessities. For example, the food you eat, the clothes you wear, the furniture in your house, a fridge or a microwave oven, all is exempted from zakat. The house in which you live is exempted from zakat. If you're carrying a weapon for your safety, irrespective of what the cost of the weapon is, it's a personal belonging, which is a requirement, which is a necessity, that's also free from zakat. If you have a vehicle for traveling, it be a car, it be a motorcycle, it be an animal, a horse to ride on, all is exempted from zakat. All your personal belongings are exempted from zakat. All the vegetables also exempted from zakat. If you have any animals that are used for agriculture or for personal use, that too is exempt from zakat. And the Prophet said that vegetables exempt from zakat, the ariyat trees exempt from zakat, grains, if it is less than 5 wasak, it's exempt from zakat, or any of your animals or personal exempt from zakat. These are the things on which zakat is not counted. Anything above this, which is surplus, if it reaches the nisab level or above it, then you have to pay zakat on it.